All right, so for part one, we're going to get our API credentials. And to do that, I'm logged into my dev store. And we're going to go into apps, apps and sales channel settings. And then we're going to go to develop apps. I already have a test here, but we're going to go ahead and click on create an app. And we're going to name this app Shopify Learn, create app. All right, and we're going to be using the admin API. So go ahead and click on configure admin. And then to configure it, we're only going to give read access to our application because we're only going to be receiving data. We're not going to be sending any data quite yet. So we only want to do read. Okay, then after we select all the read permissions, you'll see the latest version here. And we're just going to click on save. Once it's been saved, we'll scroll back up to the top and click on install app. So once you do this, before you navigate away, here is your access token, and then you'll also need this API key and this API secret key. Okay, next we're going to go over to Visual Studio Code, and here I just have a folder called Shopify. So I'm going to create a file. I'm going to call it creds.json. Here we're going to need three variables, the first one being token. Next we'll need API key, and then last we'll need secret. And then we're going to go ahead and add our values in here. So if I go back, here it is, reveal token once. Go ahead and copy that and safeguard this because it does have access to your store. API key. Here's our API key. And then API secret key. We're going to copy. Then I'll save this file, and you'll have here your token, your API key, and your secret. So we'll close out of this file, and you're ready to get started. So join me in part two.